My name is Rich Moore, and today I'm going to take you through a quick walkthrough of an app called Miro QR Stickies. So let's jump into the intro and get started. Okay, so what we're going to look at is an app that is available on the marketplace for free for your use inside of Miro. If you know Miro, Miro is obviously a online collaboration platform where teams come together to build some of the biggest products around the world. Today, I'm actually going to show you how you can turbocharge the way that you run your collaborative sessions using this fun little application. Small caveat, I actually work for Miro and I am actually the original creator of the Miro QR Stickies app. So if you have any feedback or want to give me some vague praise, feel free to write something fun in the comments. So let's jump into a Miro board and actually see what this app can do for you and for what you can do in your sessions. So to start with, what we're going to do is actually create a frame. So I'm going to come down onto my toolbar menu, launch, and let's have just a standard 16 by 9 frame. This is actually where we're going to actually ask our participants to come in and give us some input coming out of our session here. So what we're going to need to do is actually launch our QR Stickies app. Once you've got it installed, it will be within the toolbar menu. And if you launch this, it's going to ask you to go and select a frame. This is basically giving it context so that we know where to put sticky notes in. So in this case, I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose whether I want the sticky note size to be small, medium, or large. In this case, I'm going to stick with small. I'm going to click Generate QR Code. You'll see a QR code has been generated for me. And now I'm going to click Add QR to Board. And you'll see that has come in. And for simplicity, we're just going to scale that to a certain size. We could just keep it on the side there. Now I can just shut down my QR stickies. And then when I next run my workshop or collaborative session, all I need to do is actually ask my team to pull out their mobile phones. In this case, I have a mobile phone here. I'm just going to come in and go and scan this application. What you're going to see is it's going to take me to a very simple web page where I can actually enter the text that I'd like to appear as a sticky, and then I get to choose the color. So in this case, let's go with a nice green, and let's go and write wow, and click send sticky, and immediately we'll see, just as you can see there on the board, we've had a sticky come in. Not only have I been able to just very quickly send this content in, I haven't actually needed to log into Miro to be able to do this. So we can also go here, I love Miro, and again, send our sticky. So this is a really simple way of providing an extra level of interaction in your sessions. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and give me a comment of where you're using Miro from. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.